back alive, doing well. And tonight, guys, I got a wicker bill for the baby here. We're gonna get it installed tonight, hopefully. Might have to wait till tomorrow. I gotta go get a rivet tool. But we're gonna do that. First we gotta take it to get an oil change, and we're picking up my girlfriend, and she's gonna help with the wicker bill. I'm a little scared. I gotta drill some holes, all that. Don't worry, we got it. YouTube videos coming at you. Alright, here we go. Hi, babe. Say hey to YouTube.
You have to do this right now.
It looks so pretty. Yeah, look at you. You know you want to show it off.
Yeah.
What? You wanted me? She wanted me to vlog? Alright, come on. She told me to vlog, guys. She told me to. No, she wants to be a vlogger now. She's so pretty. Look how pretty she is. Babe, I think it's over here. Babe. You lied to me. Huh? Look, we're matching. I was trying to match hair. Blue masking tape. This is exactly what I need.
They look fantastic.
Yeah. We got all the stuff. It's time to finally put it on. I'm a little scared. If you can hear that wind, I'm sorry. Me and Maddie are gonna do it. She might mess up, so if she does, I'm suing her. Alright, babe. Alright. You can turn it off. Alright, guys, so we watched the video before this, so hopefully it goes well.
Oh god, this is making me nervous.
Don't be. I didn't even take it, right?
Hello? Good job, babe.
Thanks, baby.
You're doing great so far.
I know the sliding is great. Okay, we're done with the tape, finally. After 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
That was so close.
Yeah, no, it's on
3
the
minutes.
front.
Oh! You got this. You're gonna do fine.
You ready?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
I'd say that's center, right?
Yeah, go for it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Man, it's in. It's in.
Now put it in reverse, baby. Come on.
Home.
So this is the first out of 2 holes that you have to drill. Oh, yeah.
If there's a hole in it, there's no turning back. This is the worst part right here. Look at that. Look at this.
That's a huge bitch!
Penetration right there. Babe, I'm so scared.
Is one of these?
Is there another one in there? Is there 3/8 in there? Yeah, that one looks sharper, doesn't it? It's like a real 3/8.
Oh! Back it out. There you go.
Oh shit.
You're good.
This fit. Are you ready? I gotta.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was in there.
Okay, baby.
Oh, that's good. It's gotta be good.
Should just pop right in there. Do you have to take the tape off first?
Yeah, but I'm just. Yeah, let's just take it. We did it. We did it. I was so scared, but we finally got it fully in there. And it won't. Yep, it's in there. Only 7 more to go.
That took us forever.
It did. It took like literally we had to watch
It took us
30 videos.
forever.
All right, we're gonna put this on, babe, and then
Okay,
we'll line up the rest.
perfect.
Right, man. Updated.
You updated.
No, you said
this
you were
is
gonna.
your video.
All right, forget about her, guys. Because we got it done. I got it done.
Excuse me?
I got it done.
Excuse me? No, you did
With
not.
my baby's help.
Yeah, with my help.
Look, now we just gotta screw everything in. Then we'll show you guys the finished product. All right, look.
Dana's phone.
Fantastic.
Oh.
Okay. All right. I mean, do you want
Are
to
you
keep
ready?
that on? Or you guys? Okay, guys, we're done. Look at this gloss finish on this. Something
Tight. We forgot that one.
okay.
Well, good thing you wiped it down.
I know. That wasn't tight at all. Okay. Now we're done, guys. But we didn't put this piece on. This is a clear piece. I don't know if right here. I might put it on later. And you'll get to see it eventually. But this looks amazing. So I'm going to leave it like that for now.
Look at this.
Oh.
Take this.
It's about, what time we start? 12?
1:30.
Yeah, it took us about 2 hours. It's a little embarrassing, but I was scared. But once you get it, it is pretty easy, you know? So, and we didn't mess up at all. Surprisingly, because I thought we were going to die. But, it's the end of the video, you know, subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Anything you gotta tell them, babe?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. See you in the next one.